Diabetes is not a death sentence, but a life sentence to healthy eating. Welcome to a world where food does more than just satisfy your taste buds. It's a world where your plate holds the power to transform your health, especially for those battling the widespread condition of diabetes. In today's society, diabetes is more common than ever, affecting millions across the globe. But here's the silver lining. With the right diet, you can turn the tables on diabetes. That's right. The food you eat can significantly influence your blood sugar levels and overall well-being. And we're not talking about a joyless, flavorless existence. We're talking about delicious meals, tailored to keep your health in check while delighting your palate. So wave goodbye to the misconception that a diabetic diet is all about deprivation. It's about making smart choices, and we're here to guide you through it. So, are you ready to revolutionize your diet? Stick around. A balanced diet isn't about restrictions, it's about fueling your body right. Now let's delve into why a balanced diet is essential, especially for individuals managing diabetes. Eating the right foods at the right time and in the correct quantities is crucial. It's a bit like a well-tuned orchestra. Every component must be in harmony to create a beautiful symphony of health. The right balance of carbohydrates, proteins and fats can help maintain healthy blood sugar levels, prevent sudden spikes, and manage weight, a key aspect of diabetes control. Carbohydrates, which break down into glucose, need to be chosen wisely. Opt for complex carbs like whole grains and vegetables. Proteins and fats slow down the absorption of glucose, keeping you fuller for longer and stabilizing blood sugar levels. Remember, managing diabetes doesn't mean you stop living or enjoying food. It's about understanding your body's needs, making smart choices, and maintaining balance. Remember, it's not about deprivation, but about smart choices. Breakfast is the most important meal of the day. Let's make it count. Today we're going to whip up a breakfast that's not only delicious but also diabetic friendly. This recipe is a powerhouse of nutrients that can help kickstart your day without spiking your blood sugar levels. So, what's on the menu? We're making a hearty bowl of overnight oats. This dish is a balance of complex carbohydrates, healthy fats, and proteins. Let's dive right in. First, you'll need half a cup of old-fashioned rolled oats. Oats are a great source of fiber, which can help regulate your blood sugar levels throughout the day. Next, we'll add a cup of unsweetened almond milk. Almond milk is a fantastic low-carb, low-sugar option that adds creaminess to our dish without the extra calories. Now let's sweeten things up a bit. We'll add a tablespoon of chia seeds and a dash of cinnamon. Chia seeds are packed with omega-3 fatty acids, which are known to reduce inflammation and improve heart health. Cinnamon, on the other hand, not only adds a warm, comforting flavor, but also has properties that can help lower blood sugar levels. To add a bit of protein, we're going to include a dollop of unsweetened Greek yogurt. This will make our dish creamier and more satisfying. Finally, we'll top it off with a handful of antioxidant-rich blueberries and a sprinkle of crushed walnuts for some added crunch and heart-healthy fats. To prepare, simply combine all the ingredients in a jar, give it a good stir, and let it sit in the refrigerator overnight. By morning, you'll have a delicious and nutritious breakfast ready to go. This is more than just a meal, it's a way to fuel your body right. It's about finding the balance between taste and health, ensuring that you're not just eating, but thriving. There you have it, a breakfast that's not just tasty, but also keeps your blood sugar in check. Dinner time doesn't have to be a sugar spike waiting to happen. It's time to dive into the world of flavors, where health meets taste in a perfect blend. Today we're crafting a nutritious dinner delight that's not just easy to whip up, but also a delicious ally in managing diabetes. Let's start with our star ingredient, lean chicken breast. It's a fantastic source of protein that helps keep you satiated and stabilizes your blood sugar levels. We'll lightly season it with some fresh herbs like rosemary and thyme, which are not just flavor boosters but also packed with antioxidants. Next, we'll accompany our chicken with a rainbow of vegetables. Bell peppers, zucchini, and cherry tomatoes, all bursting with vitamins and fiber, but low on the glycemic index. This colorful medley helps in maintaining a steady blood sugar level while nourishing your body with essential nutrients. We'll sauté these ingredients in olive oil, a heart-friendly fat that also aids in controlling blood sugar levels. A sprinkle of garlic and a dash of black pepper will add that extra zing, taking this dish from good to great. Now let's talk sides. A serving of quinoa instead of white rice will not only add a nutty flavor but also a healthy dose of fiber and protein, giving your body a slow and steady release of energy. Finally, we'll liven up the dish with a squeeze of fresh lemon juice. This citrusy delight not only brightens up the flavor but also has an alkalizing effect, helping to keep your blood sugar levels in check. And there you have it. A dinner that's not just a feast for your taste buds, but also a champion in your fight against diabetes. It's a testament to the fact that managing diabetes doesn't mean sacrificing taste. It's about making smart choices that nourish and satisfy all at the same time. So, why wait? Put on that apron, grab those ingredients, and let's get cooking. This is your chance to turn dinner time into a celebration of flavors, health, and happiness. After all, who said managing diabetes can't be delicious? Eating right is the first step in taking control of your diabetes. And with that in mind, let's do a quick recap. We've explored 2 easy yet delicious recipes today: a healthy breakfast option and a nutritious dinner delight. Both meals are designed to help you maintain balanced blood sugar levels while satisfying your taste buds. Remember, having diabetes isn't about giving up on food, it's about learning to eat the right foods at the right time and in the right portions. And guess what? This is just the beginning. We have an array of videos filled with tips, tricks, and more recipes to help you manage your diabetes effectively. So why wait? Dive into this journey of discovery and transformation. Enjoy these recipes and more on our channel. Don't forget to come back for more tips and tricks for managing diabetes. Like, subscribe, and join our community today.